Stop making boring sentences. Today we are going to take the simplest sentence, I drink coffee, and level it up to an advanced native like sentence. Let's build it block by block, just in 6 small steps. Let's do it together. Our first sentence, I drink coffee. This is our foundation, just a simple subject, verb, and object. It's grammatically perfect, but it doesn't give us any juicy details. Step 2. I drink hot coffee in the morning, adding detail and time. Now we are descriptive. We added an adjective, hot, to describe the coffee, and a time phrase, in the morning, to show when it happens. Why they come? Hot adds sensory description so the listener can imagine it. In the morning sets the time framework. Now let me tell you about the location. Hot goes directly before the noun it describes. Generally, in English, adjectives go before the noun they describe. And in the morning goes at the very end of the core sentence. Okay, now step 3, adding frequency and purpose. I usually drink hot coffee in the morning to wake up. To make it sound more natural, we add an adverb of frequency, usually. Then we explain why we do it by adding the purpose, to wake up. Why they come usually shows this is a routine, not a one time event. To wake up explains the motivation behind the action. And again, about the location, adverbs of frequency go between the subject and a main verb. I usually drink. To wake up goes at the absolute end of the clause, after the time phrase. In the morning, to wake up, at the very end. Step 4, pretty easy, adding the location. I usually drink hot coffee in my kitchen in the morning to wake up. Let's paint a picture. Adding the place in my kitchen gives the listener a clear setting for your routine. Why it comes? It anchors the action to a specific setting, making the sentence more vivid. And about the location. In English grammar, place usually comes before time. So in my kitchen pushes its way in just before in the morning. Step 5, adding manner. I usually drink hot coffee slowly in my kitchen in the morning to wake up. How do you drink it? Adding an adverb of manner, here slowly, changes the entire mood of the sentence, making it feel peaceful. An adverb of manner describes the speed or style of the action. In this sentence, adding a calm mood to the routine. And adverbs of manner typically go right after the object. Hot coffee, slowly. Or right before the main verb. Here it sits perfectly after the object to keep the flow smooth. Now, time for step 6, adding company. With whom? I usually drink hot coffee slowly with my partner in my kitchen in the morning to wake up. We make it personal by introducing a person with my partner. This shifts the sentence from a simple fact to a real life story. It also adds the social element. And why there in a sentence? With my husband pairs naturally with the manner or with the action. So it sits right after slowly and before the location. And the last step, step 7, the masterpiece, adding time clause. I usually drink hot coffee slowly with my partner in my kitchen in the morning to wake up before I start working. We finish it off with a complex time clause before I start working. It adds a relative timeline showing how this routine connects to the rest of your day. Before I start working is a subclause that tells the final when. So it wraps up the entire sentence at the very end. See the difference? From 3 words to a powerful, advanced sentence. Now it's your turn. Choose a simple sentence like, I read books, and try to level it up in the comments below. Don't forget to like, save, and share this with your friends. See you in the next mission. Bye.